Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video on the Robe Lighting FORTE. Just a little quick tour to show you what's inside. So right now it is in the service department for a frost replacement. There's supposed to be a second frost and it fell off, so I'm gonna re-glue that. So there's a zoom lens, focus, two prisms, rotating framing shutters, two rotating gobo wheels, and of course color mixing. This is pretty much like an LED BMFL. So from the other side, here we can see the animation wheel. There's some fixed color wheels here. There's two of them. So this is the interconnection board. The cool thing about this version of it is that the data and the power are all on the same connector. So if you have to take a module out, you just unscrew two screws on the other side, unplug one wiring harness, and the bucket, the module comes out. So yeah, there's another frost here that's supposed to go on the bottom motor that you see there. We're gonna re-glue it with some silicone, high temp silicone, to make sure that the heat doesn't affect it. So yeah, it's pretty much a BMFL, but with LEDs. So there you go. Thanks for watching.